Well, one of the big kids is still here.
Think he wants that?
I think he does. I think he's going to make a nest. Yeah. There he goes. There he goes. He's running with it.
Yeah, he wants it. He must have a nest. That's funny how he does that.
So much to see down here. Just another quick close-up of the big boy. He is so racked out, sound asleep. Thank goodness he's down there and we're up here. It's a nice little nature walk if you ever wanted to just wander out through here and check out the sights. This is kind of on the back side of Port Aransas. We're just almost in town, really. It's really a cool area. They have the nice observation deck there, which is where the alligator seems to vacation underneath.